Hi, this is Latish Sehgal and welcome to a new Developer Tools Screencast. Today I'm going to talk about Skripsi, a low-friction alternative to Visual Studio for writing C# code. You can use it for quick prototyping, automation, or extending other applications.
To install Skripsi, you'll need Chocolatey. If you don't already have it, you can get it from chocolatey.org. Once you have Chocolatey, run cinst scriptcs from the command line. The latest version of Skripsi while recording this video is 0.13.3. You can launch Skripsi by typing scriptcs in the command line. By default, it launches in the interactive mode, also known as the REPL mode. REPL stands for Read Eval Print Loop and allows you to enter valid C# statements and see the results. Let's start with a typical hello world. I can also create variables and use them in later statements. If you write an expression but don't terminate it with semicolon, then Skripsi will dump the value of that expression to the console. You can split a statement over multiple lines. I'm defining an anonymous object here called person and then dumping its contents to the console. Certain namespaces and assemblies are already referenced by default. To reference more assemblies from the GAC or the file system, you can use the R Preprocessor Directive. Here I'm referencing the system.speech DLL from the GAC and then importing the system.speech.synthesis namespace so that I can create and use a speech synthesizer object.
I am a very neat monster.
Skripsi gives you a bunch of commands inside the REPL, like the clear command I just used to clear the console window. You can see the currently referenced DLLs using the references command. Here we see the system.speech reference we just added along with the default assemblies referenced by Skripsi. The usings command lets you see the currently imported namespaces. Here we see the system.speech.synthesis namespace that we just imported along with the default namespaces imported by Skripsi. Skripsi also works with script files. I'm going to open Notepad++ here and paste the same code that we wrote in the REPL. Once I save the script file, I can pass it as a parameter to Skripsi and it'll execute the contents of the script.
I am a very neat monster.
You can compose script files by using the load preprocessor directive. Here I'm going to create a new script file with a simple console.writeline and then includes its contents in the speak.csx script file. When I execute the script again, you can see the console output followed by the audio.
I am a very neat monster.
By the way, you can only place the load directives at the top of a script file. You can install NuGet packages directly from Skripsi. Once the packages are installed, you can start using them in your script by importing the corresponding namespaces. Here, I'm installing the Humanizer NuGet package, importing its namespace and making a call to one of its API. Skripsi has another extensibility point known as script packs. Script packs are available as NuGet packages and help in reducing friction by simplifying the API and removing boilerplate code, using statements, and referencing assemblies. Here I'm using the scriptcs.speakr script pack to recreate the text-to-speech example. But notice that I do not need to add any namespace or assembly references.
Hello.
The currently available script packs are listed on the Skripsi GitHub wiki under script packs master list. You can also search for Skripsi in NuGet search, since all the script packs seem to have Skripsi as a prefix. That was a basic introduction to Skripsi. If you like these kind of videos, I do have existing screencasts on some other tools on my website, and you can subscribe to the blog via RSS or email to be notified about new posts and screencasts in the future.